Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have a beautiful piece of tiger grouper fish tail here. This is about 1/4 of the fish. The whole fish is 2 point something kg. I requested the seller to cut it into 4 equal pieces. So this is one of the 4. Yeah, this is 1/4 of it. So what I did is I make few slits on the fish body so that it's easier to steam later. And then we are going to marinate it with a little bit of fine salt and put few pieces of ginger on top. Put one at the bottom. And I shall send this to the steamer and steam it for approximately 10 minutes. And later, I'll be using my fried ginger and also fried garlic to make some steaming sauce. Right, I have preheated my steamer to 100 degrees Celsius. Carefully put in the fish in the middle and close the lid and steam it for about 10 minutes. Right, I have prepared some hot water here. Let's give it some fried ginger oil, some fried garlic and fried garlic oil, and premium light soy sauce. Done. Our very flavorful steamed fish sauce is ready. All right, after 10 minutes, I actually let it rest inside the steamer for another 1 minute plus. Oh, can you see how beautiful it is? Ooh, look at this. Look at the beautiful whitish color. So I'm going to take it out. I have removed the fishy water. Now, I'm going to pour the steamed fish sauce that we made just now all over the fish. Not done yet. Some more fried garlic. All right, done. That's how simple it is to steam beautiful fish at home. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.